Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and I'm here again with Andy at his shop. So Andy, the 4x8, tell us why it was built the way it was and who it was built for.
Well, I think it was built for woodworkers pretty much like me.
Okay.
I have a limited space, limited budget, but I have big dreams, big ambitions. There's never been something I haven't said, I got to add that to the bucket list.
Yep.
So with that in mind, I wanted to have a machine that was as versatile and powerful as possible. That's who I was thinking about.
Tell me about what it means, big ambitions, big dreams.
Well, for me, big ambition, big dreams always comes down to the details. It always comes down to that extra little touch. So here we have some nunchucks.
Cool.
Here we have another pair that we're building.
Okay.
What's the difference? Well, these have beautifully carved dragons cut into them. Now, how long would it take me to hand carve those? Hours and hours.
Yeah.
And then I have to paint them, then I have to sand them, and I have to look at the meticulous detail in there.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about. Those are the touches that make my product or my project spectacular. But I don't have the time. That's my problem.
So even something as simplistic as this is going to take us several hours to do.
Yeah.
But let's take that to the next level. What else can you do with this?
Well, we just did a project with a guitar builder named Robert Rask, and he wanted to build a spectacular workbench. He wanted the legs to be off the charts.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we built for him. That's not your everyday post. I got it upside down. That's not your everyday workbench post.
No, not at all.
But how long would that take me to take out my hand tools and start chiseling away?
I don't even think I'd start.
But do you remember how long it took to build this in the shop?
This one? This, I believe, if I recall right, it was just under an hour.
So in an hour, I get this spectacular detail. So that's what CNC offers me, is the ability to add this. So it doesn't matter whether I'm remodeling my house, building a new bathroom, doing some home improvements. Those are the kind of things that extra little bit of work the machine does for me, saves me the time. Time is the most valuable thing in anybody's life. Once you see, my vision of what I will do as a woodworker completely changes. Obviously, the CNC is going to let me have more of that really spectacular woodworking in my life. I always sound like a broken record, but yeah, the Legacy is the only system that will let you go from door making to cabinet making to furniture making to inlay to 3-axis carving to wrapped carvings, spindle production. I mean, you go down the list, and yeah, everybody wants everything.
Yeah.
But I can start with the E-Series, and eventually I can have everything.